Lianhminga tribute Atea ama share na hun kan han mang tamai hi mak katia ai me lo te po katia chang le ka lo ange te katia ke ma tan phe chana poi mo em ma ka album patni na atang khan e siam tharle na ti album atang khan Lianhminga kutchwak le vek hi nya ka hla ho hi tin ka album sapla English album a po khan ani a kan thok dun na sa a ka ti boy na sa thina ni ama hi mi in pe em ani a anti khuna po dan an hong em thina thopui po nuama etin tuna hianin he anma sha reng na hun kan mana hianin la ka English album mi Father Forgive Them ti pujebi phwa kha ka sadona he la hi athlu kha omlowa album ka siam don khan hemi lai kan du si a chan Lianhminga nen hian zozam ani lai khanin studio atho lai te khani a hemi la hi athlu ki kan siam don ta a kan pani khan kan tui dun khop maya kan pani kut chuak velia lo ne zo thuk kha chu chan amoi kan ti dun lut tuka chan music po khamoi takin ti khan ron siam chuaka a hlu moi toya he la hi tin khami zo khanin Christmas album te po kha ka siam le atang khan ama bok ani zela chu e katan chuanin mi hlulut tuk ania athi na hi katwara tuna po ka ngai twa chet pe chuanin han lo ring tura ta ni chuan oi ka ti ni Lianhminga hi pachatak mai ru tha em mai hi ni a khovela alo chung chuan ti te ang kan hla te langai thazel ni chuanin dakin thlengin thang thar te po in Lianhminga ko chuak hi an hla ngai thla chuan siam thar le na ti album atang kha chuan alang zel to don ani chu ni atin tuna hian a hla tuna ka sak tur phe hi chu Father Forgive Them hi achang top na phe hi chu Lianhmingan keima ani mi ron shil ang hianin ka dong songa ti te ang chu ka ru hi khoi be ma ani chu tuna chuan ha dam takin a om to a pathian fakin zalen takin a om to ani ti kha ka ring tlata hemi hla achang top na hi a pualin ti te ang ka hlan ani mo min hlan anga ka pom chu ngai thla tu te po in chu tiang zong chuan thi lo ngai thla thewila ka du ani
I can see the hill where Jesus died for me so many years ago, but it's still the same today. The cross in the middle, the cross at Calvary was where he suffered. I can still hear him pray, Father, forgive them, for they know not what they do. Yonder on the hill where Jesus died for me, the cross was meant for me and you and all kind. I was crucified with Jesus. Don't you see the mark of sin from Eve has been left far behind? I can still remember the hopeless life I lived, the anger, hate, and envy, the selfishness and pride. Then Jesus came along. He showed me, and I believe when my life is over.